Okay guys, so I'm back. My thing says done charging. I don't know. I didn't wait for the light, just pulled it out. And I see it's at a full bar. I don't know. So let's get back into this. I just updated it. Look at all the touch prints. Ugh. So I gotta unlock. It's hard for me to unlock because I keep having to swipe up. So let's see. The password I don't like. I'm gonna change it back to like a long ass password. So as you can see, general. It says I have the latest. Oh my Jesus. There you go. The latest version, which is 12.2. Somebody just messaged me. Oh, he's on live. Who cares about him? Anyways, so yeah. My iPhone storage. Hold on. What's that storage? Storage. So I use 12.4 of it. See? Okay. It says my name, which I hate. I want to change it. It says Juliana. Okay, I think half of you know my name already by now. But yeah, I hate that because when I went to go pick up the store, I guess that's what they did. They already automatically or whatever. So my mail, I don't know why it's not set up. Maybe I have to go to settings and fix that. This says mail. I don't know, it's not showing my mail, but I'll figure that out later. Remember how I was trying to get the thing? The voice. Nah. There we go. That's how we get this thing, whatever. Says no SIM card. Okay, let's see how this takes a picture. So I'm gonna take a picture of this. No, let's take a picture of the box or something. Or of myself. I don't know. Without a live photo. So this is how pictures look. Oh god. Okay, got it. Picture looks like without the flash, with flash, with the live. I don't like it, but whatever. I'm gonna delete those photos because what am I doing? Okay, let's get this unboxing. Oh, utilities. They put the phone thingy in here now. The calculator. Compass. You can measure. Oh, shoot. Didn't have that on the old phone. They have clips. I didn't have that in the old phone. I'm not trying to get copyright, so oh, it says get started. Oh, I guess I can record here and then. But yeah, I got iMovie like I told you. I get Pages. I never had that on my old phone. But yeah, we're not gonna continue. Keynotes is showing some of myself on my movie. I mean, not on my movie. My MacBook Pro. Oh gosh. Clock. My timer. It's still the same thing. My notes. There's nothing in. Oh, there is stuff in there from my old phone. It just popped up. Yeah. Yeah, I would show you, but hold on. There's personal stuff in my notes. I can't really. No, every time I try to, there's a phone number. Okay, it says Canada Revenue. Whose number is that? Me, I don't know number. Hold on. Someone's personal number's in there. Everybody's number might not. I have personal information in here. That's sick. How all my stuff already updated. Wait, all my contacts already appeared? Wow, Apple. Y'all improved. I didn't even put my SIM card in. Let's see. I'm going to call Bell and see if it's going to go through. Call failed because, yes, I don't have my SIM card in. But everything is just basically updated. Let's see if my photos are going to get synced in here. No, they didn't. Okay. My contacts are in there. The internet is there. Everything that I use. Wow. Okay, I just have to start downloading my stuff. I'm going to put in my SIM card just now, because I feel like I'm just wasting time. Y'all already know how an iPhone works. It's just like a regular iPhone. Okay, get ready. I'm going to open it up right here on this side. So we're going to pop that shit in. I feel like this is more thinner, the key. We're going to pop it in. See, it's popping out right now. Y'all see the hole? Y'all see this? What did Bo say? Why did I just stroke my eyebrows and my eyes close? Okay. Anyways. My phone is dying. Like, this phone is at 24% now. Okay. So where's the key? Okay. Now I gotta... Oh. I gotta pop this out. Bear with me. Oh, this is even smaller. No, they made it smaller, but why? The length is more wider. Okay. Opening my OtterBox. Look at this. It's broken up here. This part broke off because my mom said I took it off and I left it in the couch. This is taped because, yeah, just that's what happens when you get it from freaking Wireless Wave. So you compare. See, look, there's no big difference. Look at this. This is rose gold and this is just gold. This is just glassy. Hold on, let me hold it up properly. So I'm comparing this to my iPhone XX Max. Do y'all really see the difference? It looks like it's the same size, actually. The bottom is different. Oh, that means I have to get the adapter. Damn, I should have bought it with my mom's discount, but I guess I could buy that after. The button down here is different, as you guys could see. The back, let me show you the back again. See how all this is up here, that's down there. Okay, let me pop this out now. There's the bell. Apparently they all go the same, but let's see. Okay. This says LTE. I don't know how to put it back. I could be putting it in wrong. I'm calling Bell, yo. Call failed. I put the SIM card in wrong, I guess. I put that wrong SIM card in. I put the SIM card in the wrong way. So how do you put in the SIM card? I might have to get back to you guys and look on YouTube. Because I didn't put in my SIM card last time. They put it in for me. Apparently it was updating, but I just took it out and I just, whatever. Okay, let's see now.
Bell. For English, press 1.
Oh, I fixed it. So I was right the way I put it in. They just didn't wanna. Y'all here. It went through. Look, I'm calling Bell.
Welcome to Bell. For English, press 1. Pour le français.
But why is the volume so low? Oh yeah, I changed it. Hold on.
Welcome to Bell. For English, press 1.
Why is it so low? There we go.
Welcome to Bell. For English, press 1. Pour le français, appuyez sur le 2.
Why does it? It sounds weird, yo. I don't know. So as I call Bell 4 times. Let's call my voicemail and see if it works.
No messages. Main menu. For personal options, press 4.
So they ain't lying. So now my phone is activated. Well, it's already activated. It's the same SIM, but damn. So this does fit in my old outer box. Oh, it's the screen time. It does fit, but it's just smaller. So I can still use this as a case and no lamp. Will it close? No, it doesn't close, but okay. So basically this is how they're selling at the store, just like this. Can't wait for my new case. But yeah, that's my unboxing for today. This is my new iPhone. Oops. My new iPhone. Can this even take a proper... There we go. I don't know why I look like that, but... My new iPhone X Max 512. Alrighty, bye y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so it notifies you when I drop a video. And see you guys in the next video. Hey, bye. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. It is working because it says bell right there. Bell is right there. See that bell thingy? Okay, bye y'all. So, I forgot to show you guys this too. This is the earphones. The charger is still the same. Where's the charger? Still the same as like the original. I have an extra, so I'm gonna use that. Hold on for a second. This is how it came in the box. Like that. There's that port. I have lots of these. This is the earphones. Then it has this thing. Because remember, like I told you, it doesn't come with this port. It comes with this little thingy right here. So I'm just gonna have to slide this part in. And then yeah. Alrighty, I'm done. Okay, bye guys.